What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 9 main software projects I made, and it's in order from beginning to end of the year. So the first one is Azul Tiles. Basically, this is like an online strategy game. It's based off of the board game Azul. If you ever played it, it's basically you pick tiles from this kind of setup, and you place them there, and then the ones that are filled gets placed on there at the end of the round when all the tiles are gone. And what's cool, I didn't really do much marketing, but I just checked this out for like the first time in a while, and it's cool. I see people playing it, which is pretty cool. So yeah, this isn't me. So yeah, I didn't do anything. It's just some guys playing that. And so yeah, the next one is this, called pushuppusher.com. I built this to try to get people to do push-ups. So if you're watching this, I summon you, do some push-ups right now. And if not, just do some squats. All right, get the body moving and grooving. All right, let's get a move on here. So the idea of this is you kind of summon your friend to do some push-ups, and you can kind of send them a link and then tells them to do it. And if they hit no, I mean, don't get mad at me, but you can read that. I think you can read. Yeah. Then I ended up making an app for this. It's only on Android, so if you're on iPhone, sorry, you can't use it. But if you bug me, maybe I'll build it for the iPhone. So yeah, I got a few users, nothing crazy. And then the next one of my favorites, is on the way to Peru. I ended up sitting next to this guy who was like on his phone trying to like connect to Wi-Fi. I helped him with that, and we started talking, and turns out he's some lawyer who's famous in Israel because for the past like 10 years he's been collecting a list of the pedophiles down in Israel who are politicians, and he had a problem of trying to get it online to share with other people because he's soon making a Netflix documentary on it, and people are going to be able to go here. This means like city in Hebrew. They'd be able to search their city or just click on their city, see other people here. And the ones in red are the these are like the people who actually like met up with kids. Yeah, I don't really know, but yeah, I might get murdered for this, but it is what it is. Because I know these people are pretty powerful, but like I don't know about you. I don't really like people diddling kids. So, yeah, it is what it is. This will be out, soon enough. And, yeah, so next up this is kind of like 2-in-1. This was a poker seat randomizer. And this is kind of like a 2-in-1. I could kind of say I made 10 projects, but, yeah, basically go here. You just click randomize, and then you get all these people here. And obviously, this is just a bunch of gibberish. There'd be names, and just feel like I just typed a bunch of gibberish here and added just to show you how it works. And then yeah, this is kind of like a cheat of how it is, but yeah, that's another thing. And then next up is this software called Leply. It's basically like a Google Maps scraper. So you can go here, collect some leads from Google Maps. You click around here, or you just select a whole entire state, and basically what happens is every single type of business that you get from here. So like some restaurant, it would get all of these from here and scrape them, and then go to my collected leads, where you can actually download them. You could filter them, so you just kind of download what you want. So like, let's say you only want emails. You don't really care if they have a phone number, and yeah, you can download that, import it into email marketing software, cold calling software, whatever. So yeah, that was pretty cool. We got some users for this, nothing too crazy. And then the next one is this X reply counter. So on Twitter or X, a strategy to grow is replying to a bunch of people, and kind of had a bunch of friends who were trying to grow and doing the reply guy method. And what this does is makes it super easy to count your replies and when you just type something, it and reply, it counts it and then resets every day. So it's really easy to make sure you hit like 50 to 100 replies each day, so you can maximize your chances of growing on the platform. And then next up is the bouncer bot. So you ever walk in the club and there's something fishy going on and the bouncer just bounces people on out of there? Well, one of my friends is having a bunch of people impersonate him on his Discord server. So basically what this does is takes the profile picture and username, and if it matches like one of the people in charge of the server, it will just automatically kick them. So this is like some testing stuff. I was testing this with a profile that used to match mine exactly, and yeah, that worked. And then this other one, I built an MVP for this. This is what it looked like at first. You don't really need anything fancy, to prove a use case. I ended up proving a use case for this, and then turned it into this. And yeah, this looks pretty good, I think, and this is kind of what I'm focused on now. So yeah, I don't want to. I can go more into it if you want future video, but if you want to see me work on it, you can, or I'll just keep working on it. And then let's see. The last major project was this X-Top-Stop, and basically people log in through it, and then it just tells them their best viewed, retweet it, most liked, most replied to tweets, so they can notice patterns to help them grow their account. And then whenever anybody actually goes on here, they get featured on the latest tab. So okay, all right, cool. New person is here, and yeah, it just gets filtered from whoever was the like the latest people using it. It just will feature them on their best performing content. So yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions or video ideas, let me know. I don't know if I'm gonna make any more videos anytime soon, but if you want me to, I can, maybe. So yeah, let me know down below, and have a great rest of your day.